Hello friends, welcome to our class today. The question we are looking at today says the ship H leaves a port P. Solution. Remember, in bearing, every point located has 4 cardinal points. So this is the port P with the 4 cardinal points east, west, north, and south. Okay? The ship is H. It leaves this port and sails 30 kilometers due south. This is south. So the ship sails 30 kilometers due south. So this is now the new location of the ship after 30 kilometers. Full stop. Then it sails 60 kilometers due west. After it has gotten to this point has its own cardinal points: east, west, south, north. It now sails due west. It now goes this way, but 60 kilometers. 60 kilometers. Okay, so this is now the bearing of this other point. So this is the new location of the ship H. So the question now says, what is the bearing of H from P? The bearing of H from P, we are going to have a line joining P to H first, so that if you are traveling from P to H, this is the line you are going to take. So the bearing of H from P, I told you, from a point, if you want to take the bearing of another point, you have to face the north and then turn clockwise till you get to a line that will lead you to that point. So if from north we turn clockwise, this is the line that will lead us to H. A straight line that will lead us to H. And we know that from here to here is 180. So we just need this angle to be added to 180 to get the bearing of H from P. So, and we know this side. Thank God this angle is inside the triangle. This side is 60 degrees this side 60 kilometers is the opposite to the angle, while 30 kilometers is the adjacent of this triangle. So when we have opposite over adjacent, you remember in our trig ratio, opposite over adjacent is tan theta, and our opposite is 60, the adjacent is 30, so it is equal to tan theta. 60 over 30 will give you 2, so tan theta is 2. What is now theta? Theta is the tan inverse of 2. Therefore, theta is equal to tan inverse of 2 from your mathematical table or calculator. Tan inverse of 2 will give you 63.435 degrees. But remember, that is not what we are looking for. We are going to add 180 to it. So the bearing of H from P is equal to 180 plus 63.435. And that is going to give us 180 plus 63.435 will give us 243.435 degrees, which is to the nearest whole number 243 degrees. That is the bearing of H from P. See you in the next class.